Hey guys, Happy New Year. I'm being a little naughty. I have some organic zucchini and grapeseed oil, and I'm a black girl. It is seasoned to perfection. I'm not gonna even front. It honestly smells like fried chicken in here. So anyway, why zucchini? You guys know that it's in season. It is filled with great fiber. Actually, it's polysaccharide fiber, which helps to prevent insulin spikes. So if you have trouble with diabetes, this is a great low sugar, low carb food. Also, not only is it good with that type of fiber, it's good with a good fiber that helps your GI tract. So irritable bowel syndrome people with GI issues, this may be a really good healing food for you. Also, guys, packed with vitamin C. Hello, that's a good one, especially for skin. Vitamin K, vitamin B6. It has great pectin, which helps to lower bad cholesterol. I mean, I can go on and on. Low in starch, which is great for your waistline. It's amazing. So even though I'm being a little naughty because I am frying it and I have it smelling like fried chicken, I'm still doing some good. Not a ton because I'm frying it, but that's okay. I'm just frying it literally for like 3 minutes and that's it. All right, guys, have a great new year. More to come. Bye.